How to install floodlights extension box. Installing floodlights can enhance the security and appearance of your home. Depending on where you want to install your floodlights, you may be better off hiring an electrician to do the work. However, if you'd like to hang lights over your garage door and don't mind running conduit lines inside your garage, installing floodlights can be a manageable DIY project. The process involves many small parts and can be time-consuming, but overall this is a simple way to illuminate your residence. Step 1. Turn off the electricity to the garage. Find the circuit breaker or fuse box, which will be in the basement or bottom floor of your home. Flip the switch for the garage. To test for an electrical current, plug a radio or lamp into a wall outlet in the garage. If the power is off, the device won't turn on. Step 2. Unscrew a wall outlet near the garage door. Pick an outlet as close to the door as possible to make installing the floodlights easier. Use a screwdriver to loosen the outlet. Remove the screws on the sides of the outlet to free the wires. Leave the electrical box containing the wires in the wall. Step 3. Screw a metal mounting plate over the electrical box. Visit a home improvement store to purchase an extension box that is the same shape as the outlet. The mounting plate will be included. Fit the plate around the electrical box and, using the included screws, fasten it to the wall. Step 4. Attach a metal conduit connector to the extension box. First, look for a circle, also called a knockout plug, on the top surface of the extension box. Use the tip of your screwdriver to pry the plug up and away. Then position a 1/2 (1.3 centimeters) metal conduit connector on top of the hole. The metal conduit connector, along with other conduit pieces, can be found at most home improvement stores. Step 5. Screw the extension box to the mounting plate. The extension box will come with 2 long screws. Position the extension box on the plate with the conduit connector facing upwards. Line up the holes on the box and plate, then use the screws to fasten them together. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.